Hey everybody, it's David Wilkes, and I want to thank you guys for tuning into the channel. I'm in Olympia, Washington, and I really can't tell you how blessed I am to be doing this transport. This is going to be amazing. It's raining. Of course, we're in Washington. That's what happens here. But I want to share something with you. And it has nothing to do about the truck. If you go to zylvardos.com, I'll put a link. This thing is epic. Look at the wing. I think you've taken the world of tiny home to a whole new level. There's no doubt. I know. Boring is so overrated. So completely overrated. This thing is awesome. Yeah. Look at this. I'll have a full video coming out soon, and you guys can see it inside and out. All right, well, I'm here with the man himself who built this. It's Abel Zyl, right?
Yes. Yeah,
I get it right. I'm trying. I keep trying to call you Zyl, but or is it Zyl or Zyl, or how do I?
Zyl.
Zyl. Okay.
Zyl.
I just want to make sure I pronounce it right, because I never get that right. I always make up people's names, and I usually in my line of work I associate the people with what they do, and this is just insane. This is awesome. I've never seen anything like that. Coming from a family background of woodworking, you've taken it definitely to the next level. So tell me about what you have here, what the name of it is. And
this is a tiny house on wheels called the Moon Dragon, and it's a design that I originally did a few years ago. Let's see, 5. It's 5 years ago now. And basically a client sent me a floor plan sketch and asked me to do the rest, and so after a bit of time in the shop, this is what I came out with, and this is a pretty faithful reproduction of the original design. But the main idea is it's a little wider than the 8.5 feet. It's 24 feet long, but it has a loft overhang that's 4.5 or 5 feet. So there's quite a bit of room inside. Kitchen's pretty good sized.
Yeah, it was very roomy.
Has stairs up to the loft.
That's awesome.
The loft is walkable by, I mean, I can walk in it if I duck, but walkable lofts are kind of not too much a reality for tiny houses on wheels because of overall height. But this one is pretty roomy as it goes. But yeah, I then the other piece of what I do is a lot of hand-built parts, and I think that's unusual in tiny house builders, with a few exceptions. But we build all of our doors and windows, interior cabinetry, trims, everything we build.
And that's what I hear going on in the shop right now, right? Is that what that is? The windows?
It's a window. We're building the batch of windows that go in the next tiny house.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
It'll be done in probably a couple months.
That is going to be impressive. I'm going to definitely have to follow the channel. I will put the links to his website and social media in the description of this video. Yeah. Look at these windows. These are amazing. And the latches are beautiful.
Business is Zyl Vardos, and that's my YouTube channel as well. So
okay.
Zyl Vardos is easy to
definitely
find.
Will link you there.
And I haven't put up video lately because I've been too busy building, but there are a bunch of video walkthroughs of my previous builds. Yeah, I don't know. Any questions?
You know, me, I'm a little speechless. It's just, to me, it's the beauty of it, and I love being able to tow something that really inspires me. That's why I do what I do, and this is going to be a beautiful advertisement going across the United States, pretty much. I mean, and I'm excited to hear all the questions I'll get asked, and I'll share those with you. So be sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and say hello to this gentleman right here. Hey everybody, if you've been watching the channel and saw the post I made earlier today, the little short, I picked up this Zyl Vardos tiny home and we're heading cross country with it. Just went through the Snoqualmie Pass and had no issues. It towed beautifully. Just an amazing tiny home. It's not like those lightweight RVs. We finally got into an area where the wind has died down, but I've had a crosswind. Look at a bug crawling on it. Pretty much had a crosswind all day. I can't wait to get a tailwind. It's another few hours east of me. But the really cool thing is that the weight of this is substantial, and I'll get a weight ticket on it probably tomorrow. But the weight of this is exceptional, and it gives it a really good ride. So let me do a little walk around and I'll show you why this thing is really cool. Clearly you can see that the design is one of a kind. Back here you have the heater and the external protected area for the gas bottle. Abel makes all his own windows and doors, and they're fully sealed all the way. The workmanship is just exceptional. Check out these screws that are in here. Amazing. Just simply amazing. We've seen the outside of it. Let's take a step inside. Here's the inside of this beautiful cedar door. It's just amazing. These are all beautiful custom. So nice. We've got the steps and whatnot that go in here, and the stove and some extra. This is the doorway cove that's been removed. The stove pipe is right there. Of course, the stove goes right here. Got a couple things. There's just a lot of light in here. The skylight brings in a lot of the light. It's just a lot of light in here. The stained glass is amazing. It's just so beautiful. This goes all the way through. Got a real cooktop, a little mini fridge there, full washer and dryer. Really, it's a dishwasher. That's awesome. Now, we don't have a whole lot of light in here, but we have a full bathroom, stand-up shower, and this is blocked and locked so it doesn't slide while I'm driving. That's good. I took the toilet top off so it doesn't make a whole lot of noise. This door slides easily, and then it locks with the penny I just stuck in my pocket. Just like that. Let's take a walk upstairs. And again, these windows all open. All custom made. And this is where the bedroom is. And you could put a queen size bed in here easily. Easily. All cedar line. That's awesome. More storage space. She's a beauty. So tell me in your comments what you think about it. This tiny home isn't so tiny. Not at all. Look at that butcher's block. He made all this. All the different types of wood. Attention to detail is insane. It truly is. Tell me what you think in the comments. We've got a few more days with this beautiful tiny home. Let me know what you think, and I'll see what I can do to answer any questions. Y'all have a blessed day. God bless y'all, and God bless America.